Hey guys, Shai is here. So you guys remember I bought a wig from Shein. So I'm gonna install it today because I have my dream interview. So tomorrow. So you know me for dollar out. So now what you want lash, I soon put on the next one or I go do my cluster lashes. As Mr. Ken me here there. So watch this video to watch the installments going on. Also, please engage in my video. Comment, like, share, follow me if you have not followed me already. And trust me, I love that we get, so it's supposed to put on good. See you guys later. Bye.
Girl then dolly out, big start on the black in our dolly house. We are glad to pick it and wrap it up. So me a boy, me not care about your body count. You no see to the girl then dolly down. Father, just bring Molly come. Girl pan the ground, pan the roof, pan the patio. Oh, you for born, I'm a bitch, be stopping up. I live my life like champagne, strip club, high price. I'm for busting on your face like pipe. Girl, you suck cocky, me love when you in fine eye. I live a life like city apartment, babe, sketchy skyline. And you for know me, I'm poor when I care, me no business. Who you fuck tonight, I'm my night. Bottle, pop, tequila shots. If she slip, she slide, come in at that. Yeah, I'm with God's for real, baby, I'm the dream. Just ask your reader, man. Now ask me who she need a fam. If you know I'm a baby, she's a fan. You can't just want fuck down your place, put price by your pussy, girl. Your mother teach you wrong.
Okay guys, so I'm here gluing down my wig. I use the Eben spray because the glue that I use not doing crap. Here is the lace. So I'm here trying out some parts, put in my concealer so it melts or looks like my skin. So there you have it, but this is the finishing look. Yes, put on my baby ear, all of them something there. Yeah, girl, look nicey. Yeah, we want a little hump. So, you know, if I'm gonna put my spray, I just use the clip for hold it. Yeah, fixing the edges a little right there. But this is a finishing look, guys. Yes. Girl, I feel herself, you know, What's that? Yeah, tell it down. I think I take out the lash right. Rate in the comments how I did with this hairstyle. Like, share. Go follow my Instagram page, Shy Beauty Geek. If you want this hairstyle, DM me. Bye, guys.